Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a demo from Soak, Fizz, and Bubbles. This is their raspberry cream donut, which is super adorable and smells amazing. The fragrance notes, the description for it is a sweet combo of summer berries and cream. And I definitely agree with that. There's a light berry scent, very sweet, and definitely enjoyed the scent of this bath bomb. Did decide to capsize and float upside down for quite a while. It started out just a soft pink, and then later on you could see some blue coming out of it, different colors. There always seems to be a hidden color, hidden pop of color in their bath bombs. Speaking of, depending on when you're viewing this, if you go to their website, the link is in the description box. Sometimes you'll come to a splash page where it just says, we'll be back. You'll see that anytime they've sold out of all their products. But if you put in your email, they will notify you whenever new products launch. And that's the best way to catch them because they do sell out pretty quickly. But here's a nice explosion of color. The pink and the blue and the purple. And I went to check on it to see how much was left. And the top part was pretty intact. It feels like the white part is a whipped soap. It's real soft and creamy. And then in the center of the raspberry is a soap embed. And a lot of their bath bombs have that, have a soap embed, which the kids think are fun. So that lasted a few more minutes in the tub. And when it was finally done, here's what the bath water looked like. It's a nice pinkish purple and super moisturizing. So if you guys would like to try anything from Soak, Fizz, and Bubbles, I do have a promo code below in the description box. And as always, thank you so much for watching. Bye, guys.